How to fix lag issue in BLEACH Soul Resonance. If your BLEACH Soul Resonance game is laggy on your device, then this happens because of device performance, internet, or game settings. So in order to fix it, first thing to do is to close the game completely and relaunch it again. Once you restart the BLEACH Soul Resonance game, this alone can fix small lag issues, but if it still does not, the next thing you need to check is your internet connection. Use a stable Wi-Fi and move closer to your router. Restart your router if you want and avoid using mobile data with weak signals. Once you do that, you'll be able to restart your game smoother. The next thing you want to do is to lower your graphic settings within the game. From the home page of BLEACH Soul Resonance, tap on the Start Game button, and once you're inside the game, go to the upper right corner and tap on the menu button. Once you're inside the menu, go to the gear icon on the right, and once you do that, you'll end up in the graphics tab. Now go ahead and lower your graphic. Right next to display mode, tap the drop down and select normal or smooth. Make sure to choose the lower graphic setting, and once you do that, go to the shadow option and make sure to choose low or lowest. Underneath resolution 2, go ahead and select medium, low or lowest, and also make sure to turn off the super resolution. Once you do that, you will be able to lower your graphic settings or your display settings. Lower setting means less lag on your device. If you are using any other application besides the game on your device, make sure to close that off as well. Remember, you should only run the BLEACH Soul Resonance on your device at the moment, no other background running apps. Once you do that, you might be able to fix your lagging issue. Also make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. If it is not, go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for BLEACH Soul Resonance and check if there is an update available. If yes, tap on the update button to download the latest version of BLEACH Soul Resonance. And soon after you do that, you might be able to fix your laggy issue. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.